This time I'm here to explain about the question. Calculate 3x cubed negative 2x squared plus 1 divided by x negative 2 using synthetic division. For the last video, I explained about how to divide polynomial by polynomial using long division. But do you remember, it takes a lot of time and complicated. But you know, if you use synthetic division, you can easily divide polynomial by polynomial. So I totally recommend you to learn how to use it. So let me teach you about it today. But before using synthetic division, you need to make sure that divisor has to be linear. The degree of divisor has to be 1. It cannot be 2, 3, 4, something like that. Okay? So let's get started. First, you focus on dividend here. Then you need to arrange in descending order. But it's already arranged in descending order. So you don't need to care this time. And you don't need to write variables. So you can just write only coefficient of each variables in descending order. So first one, let me write 3 here. The next one, negative 2. But in this time you need to be careful. The first one's the degree of 3, right? But next one is 2. But there's nothing that has degree of 1. So you put 0 here. This one is x squared, this cube, x squared, x, and x to the power of 0. Like this. Okay? Then next, you put number on the left side of dividend, which is this number. You put this number here. If this number is negative, you put positive. You make it positive. But if this number is positive, you write negative number. Okay? But this time it's negative, so you put positive number here. Okay? Then you put line here. First you do is you just bring it down here. 3. Then what you do next is you multiply 3 multiplies 2, which is going to be 6. Okay? Then what do you do next? You just add negative 2 by 6, which is 4. Then next you multiply 4 by 2. By this number. Oops. 8. Then you add again 8 plus 0 plus 8 is 8. And you multiply 8 by 2, which is 16. Then you add again 17. Got it? So this number and these correspond. Okay, now it's done. And please make sure the last one is remainder. Then these 3 are quotient. Okay? Oops. Quotient. And degree of quotient, the first one is x to the power of 0, next one x to the power of 1, third one x to the power of 2. So quotient, it's gonna be 3x squared plus 4x plus 8. Okay? And this one is a reminder. So you can write like 3x cubed negative 2x squared plus 1 equal 3x squared plus 4x plus 8 times x negative 2 plus 17. That's how to use synthetic division. You got it? So let's work on one more question. Divide x to the power 4 plus 9x cubed negative 5x squared negative 36x plus 4 by x squared negative 4. Like I told you, you need to be careful with divisor. If divisor is quadratic, you can't use synthetic division. However, you can factor it like this: x negative 2 times x plus 2. So first you can divide by x minus 2, then next you can divide by x plus 2. Then you can use synthetic division. Okay, so let's divide by x negative 2 first. So let's focus on dividend, and you take out only coefficient in descending order. The first one is 1, next one 9, negative 5, negative 36, and 4. Then you put number here, which is 2. Okay, then you just bring it down. Then you multiply 2 by 1, which is 2. 9 plus 2 is 8, 11. And you multiply 2 by 11, 22. Negative 5 plus 22 is 17. And you multiply 17 by 2, 34, and negative 36 plus 34 is negative 2. Negative 2 times 2 is negative 4, which is 0. So remainder is 0. So this one is remainder, and this one is quotient, and this one it's a degree of 0. This one is degree of 1, degree of 2, degree of 3. So the quotient is x cubed plus 11x squared plus 17x negative 2. Okay. So let's do it again. You need to divide it by x plus 2 as well. So it's 11, 1, 11, 17, negative 2. Divided by negative. Okay. Then you bring it down here. Then times negative 2, 11 plus negative 2 is 9. Then times 2, 18. Is that correct? Sorry. Negative, so negative 18. So negative 1 and 2, 0. Okay. So it's the remainder. And quotient is negative 1, 9x, x squared. Okay, now you're done. So you can write x about 4 plus 9x cubed negative 5x squared negative 36x plus 4 equal, you divide it by x negative 2 and x plus 2 times quotient is here, x squared plus 9x negative 1, and the remainder is 0. So that's it. That's how to use synthetic division.